Hi, I'm Eric from the EasyCruit team. Think about how dependent your team and organization is on making sure you've hired the right candidate in the right role. How many companies are currently in a position where they are spending too much time, money, and resources on replacing staff that are leaving prematurely? Many recruiters are using assumptions and conjectures based on how they feel about a candidate during the interview process. However, the key to finding and retaining the right candidate is through the use of knowledge. Make sure to analyze the tasks and skills required for the position, utilizing internal resources such as co-workers and managers. Making sure to include these findings in the recruitment process and job description. The more you know about the job you are recruiting for, the better you will understand what sort of person you are looking for. Screen all candidates thoroughly, utilizing every single point that is listed in the job description. Can you get the information from the candidates along with their application? Implementing a good online recruitment solution will ensure you are able to screen systematically and identify candidates who possess the required skills. Psychometric tests can help companies identify a candidate's knowledge, skills, and personality, ensuring they are placed in the right role. Extroversion or introversion can impact an individual's role in the team. Other factors can be IQ, empathy, problem-solving abilities, and so on. There are a number of companies out there that specialize in gathering knowledge to predict what type of people are likely to bring success to different types of work environments, helping you define the right personality profile. At EasyCruit, we are currently working alongside some of the largest personality test providers to enable you to immediately assess whether a candidate matches your profile. Recruitment is about success, and success is about people. Not everyone can be the right individual for the job you are recruiting for. However, they may be the right person for your next recruitment project. Keep this in mind when you are rejecting candidates and keep them within reach. Save good candidates in your pool. Be direct. Ask them if they would like to be contacted about future opportunities and use this opportunity to shine as an attractive employer. For more recruitment advice, be sure to check out our blog.
Attract, select, hire, and onboard. Visma EasyCruit. Recruitment made easy.